This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set a custom home page in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. If you look off to the upper left hand corner, you can see I have a little icon of a house up here. That is my home button. If you do not see a home button up here, I will place a link down in the description of how to add your home button, but by default that should be there. If I click on that home button, it's going to take me to LibreWolf's default web page. It's a DuckDuckGo search page. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this to google.com. You can hyperlink it to whatever web address you want to. I'm going to open up google.com. Now the next thing you want to do is copy the URL of the web page you want to hyperlink the home button to. I'm going to go up to the address bar. I'm going to copy that URL. Then the next thing you want to do, I'm going to close this out, is you want to open up settings. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says settings and click on settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on home. Then on the center pane, next to where it says home page in new windows, as you can see by default it's set to LibreWolf's own web page. I'm going to click on that drop down and I'm going to change that to custom URLs. Now another box has appeared. It says paste a URL. Paste the URL of the website that you want to hyperlink the home button to. I'm going to use google.com and that's all you need to do. Now I'm going to close this out and I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to click on the home button. It'll take me to google.com. That is how to set a custom home page in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.